welcome back to my channel. Today I did a braid out following my very own tutorial here on YouTube. I did like 7 years ago, so that's what we're doing today. I followed my exact steps with 2 braids. I got this curly hair from 2 braids and no heat. So if you're interested in this tutorial, then keep on watching. So guys, I'm starting out with my water and conditioner mix. This is just water, and I think this is my shea butter leave-in conditioner. It's just a little bit left in there, and then I fill the rest up with water. So like in the video here, I used mousse in the old video, but this time I didn't use mousse, so this is like even more easier. You just need water and a little bit of conditioner just to dampen your hair up. And then here I'm braiding my hair. Look at me. You guys have any advice you would give to your younger self, what would you give? Like, this was like 7 years ago. Oh my god. I still look the same, kind of. Yeah, so I'm just gonna braid my hair. It's like a cornrow braid. I know people were like debating in the comments what kind of braid it was. I think this is like a cornrow. Somebody said French braid. Do whatever braid makes you comfortable, just braid it back. So I'm adding the water mix as I go, just to make sure that my hair is damp, because you want this to dry overnight. Now that it's braided, it's good to go. I'm gonna do a little bit of holding spray and then tie my hair up and let it set overnight. So this is the next day. Got a little makeup going on here, some lip gloss, just like in the video. Somebody said, "Oh, you look better without the makeup." Thank you, I appreciate that. Yeah, so we're unbraiding. This time I used a little argan oil in my hands to unbraid it, so I'm not gonna use the spray sheen like I did in the original video. You can see this technique still works. Some people do 10 braids, 5 braids. I'm still sticking with the 2 braids. And by the way, this is a AliPearl lace front wig. In the original video, I had a sew-in. I forgot where I got that hair from. I think it was Queen Weave. But look at this. 2 braids. Braid your hair at night and you're like good to go in the morning. Somebody said I didn't show the back, so I'm showing the back this time. And like literally like the easiest hairstyle I can do on a wig or your natural hair. Thank you guys for watching.